Hello everyone, my name is Shaista and I am the founder of Carnelian Technologies, a cutting-edge software testing company. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Ollama on a Mac and how to run AI models directly from the terminal. If you are new to local AI or you want a fast, easy way to run DeepSeek, Llama, Mistral, or any open source model, this video is for you. So what is Ollama? Ollama is a lightweight AI runtime that let you run large language models locally on your computer. No cloud, no API keys. It supports models like Llama 3, which is from Meta, Mistral, which is a very efficient and lightweight model, DeepSeek, which is very good at competitive reasoning, Phi 3, and many more. Everything runs on your macOS machine using CPU and GPU depending on your hardware. So in short, Ollama runs your Mac into your own. So let's install Ollama on your macOS. In this page, ollama.com, you can see a tab called Models here. If you go to Models, you will find a lot of different models in the list, and you will notice there is a B written here, which means billion parameters. So if I go to, let's say, DeepSeek, and if I see different 8B, 14B means 8 billion or 14 billion parameters, that means those are the parameters that stores the knowledge and reasoning abilities the model learn from the massive training data. So when you run a model, it uses those billions of parameters to decide what comes next. So between, let's say, 5 billion or 14 billion, uh, so obviously like 14 billion model has much more capacity to learn the pattern. So you also need to make this decision based on the sizes that it has, because if you using a larger model that uses a lot of billion, it will also comes with a lot of capacity or takes a lot of space in your machine. For learning purpose, I would recommend go for something 7 billion. It will run fine. If you are creating agentic AI applications, then 7 billion models runs completely fine. So to download Ollama, click on this download button. The macOS is automatically selected. It detects your machine. So click on download for macOS, and here I'll click on allow. In your download, you can see ollama.dmd. So you need to open it. You then need to drag your app to your applications folder. It will automatically should install, and you can verify it using your terminal. Did it installed? Oh yeah, it's here. Let's try it again. Now we can see the version over here. Now it means the model has downloaded, it is installed, and we can try to use it as well. Install. So let's run our first model. Let's download our first model. I want to, for example, try Mistral here. So I'll just search for Mistral, and for demo purpose I will install the latest Mistral, or maybe 7 billion one. So I'll just click on here. It will automatically capture the name. I'll go back to my terminal, run, enter. We'll start downloading the Mistral, and it will let us know when it is done. As you can see that the model will start downloading the first time you run it, and when it is done, it will like opens an interactive chat session where you can type directly like, hello, how are you? And what are your capabilities? What you can do? And it is supposed to give us answer. We will see that once the download is finished. Once you can see that it is installed, you can write any queries here. For example, I could write, and the model will start thinking and will start giving you an answer. Ollama supports a lot of models. So if you want to install any of these models, not Mistral or any of these models, you just need to, copy the name and write Ollama run, then the model name, and it will start installing. If you want to go away from this model, or want to stop the model from running, you need to see Control plus D, and then we are back to our main window. If you want to see how many models does run Ollama support and how many models you have downloaded, you just need to write Ollama list. And right now we have only one model installed, which is Mistral. But if there are other models as well, you will get the data over here. And that's all. That is, you have installed Ollama on your macOS and your first AI model directly from terminal. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.